Good morning dear students. Today in accountancy class we will learn calculation of sacrificing ratio. So already I have taken one question on the board. You can see A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admit B into partnership. The new profit sharing ratio of partner is 3:2:3 and we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. So very simply we can do this question. You can see on the board. Sacrificing ratio equals to old minus new. We have to apply this formula. Now you can see A, B and C are partners and their profit sharing ratio was 5, 3 and 2 and they admitted D and their new profit sharing ratio is 3, 2, 2 and 3. So you can see old profit sharing ratio is given and new profit sharing ratio is also given. So with the help of this formula, very simply you can calculate sacrificing ratio. So firstly I will calculate A sacrifice. A sacrifice will be old minus new. So you can see A's old is 5/10, B's old is 3/10 and C's old is 2/10. Same way A's new is 3/10, 2/10, 2/10 and 3/10. So formula for sacrificing ratio, once again I am telling you, that is old minus new. So A's old is 5/10 minus new is 3/10. You can see denominators are same. So when denominators will be same, there is no need to calculate LCM. Simply numerator will be deducted. So 5 minus 3 will be 2/10. This will be sacrificing of A. Now we will calculate B sacrifice. Now B's old is 3/10 and B's new is 2/10. Once again you can see denominators are same. So simply 1/10 will be B's sacrifice. And now come to C. We will calculate C sacrifice. And C's old is 2/10. C's new is also 2/10. So it will come nil. Means C is not sacrificing anything. So finally, sacrificing ratio of A and B will be, you can see A's sacrifice was 2/10 and B's is 1/10. That is 2:1. Thank you. See one more question, my dear students. K, L and M partners sharing in the ratio of 3:2:1. They admit N for 1/6 share. It is agreed that M would retain his original share and we have to calculate new and sacrificing ratio. So you can see profit sharing ratio of K, L, M is 3:2:1. That means 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. N is admitted for 1/6 share and M would retain his original share. That means N's share will be 1/6. So now we have two shares, that is M as well as N. So M share will be 1/6 and N share is also 1/6. And you know profit of the firm is always 1. So first of all we will add N share and N share and that will be 1/6 plus 1/6, that is 2/6. Now profit of the firm is 1 minus 2/6, so it will come 4/6. This is remaining share. This is remaining share. Now we will distribute this share among K and L. Among K and L. Okay. So K's new share will be, now K's share will be 3/5 and L share will be 2/5. Okay. So remaining share is 4/6. From 4/6 we have to give K's share and that is 3/5 of 4/6. So it will be 12/30 and now we will calculate L's new share that is 2 by 5 of 4 by 6, it will be 8 by 30. Okay, now we will calculate their new profit sharing ratio K, L, M and N. K's share is 12 upon 30, L's share is 8 upon 30, M share is 1 by 6 and N share will be 1 by 6, and we will take LCM. LCM will come 30, so 12 will come as it is, 8 will also come as it is, 6 5s are 30, so 5 1s are 5, and again 6 5s are 30, so 5 1s are 5. So K, L, M and N, and their new profit sharing ratio will be 12 ratio 8 ratio 5 ratio 5. Now we have to calculate their sacrificing ratio, and very simply we will apply the formula, that is old minus new. So we will calculate K sacrifice will be old minus new. K's old was 3 by 6 and new is 12 by 30. And once again we will take LCM, that will come 30. 6 5s are 30, 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 12, it will come 3 by 30. And now we will calculate L's sacrifice. Again same formula will be applicable, that is old minus new. 2 by 6 minus 8 by 30. LCM will be 30. 6 5s are 5 2s are 10 minus 8, that is 2 by 30. And then we will calculate M sacrifice. Old is 1 by 6 minus new is 5 by 30, and once again we will take LCM, that will come 30. 6 5s are 5 minus 5, that will come nil. So sacrificing share of K and L will be 3 ratio 2. So like this you will solve such type of questions. Thank you very much.